Welcome to everyone from Pixel Travel and Living. We are known for providing assistance for touring in domestic and foreign places. Taking global audiences' view in mind, we are providing assistance in 3 languages: Hindi, Bengali or English. From now we will enjoy our program in 3 languages. To see in Hindi, press I button and provided description link below. And to see in Bengali, press I button and the provided description link below. From today onwards, some episodes will be shown based on India. Sacred land India cannot be described in a single way. Our country is diversity in beauty and rich culture. From the towering mighty Himalayas to dry barren Indian desert. From unending waters on 3 sides covering the large terrains is totally filled with variational civilizations. Blessed am I that I am born to this land and that I had the luck. Is that poet Rabindranath Tagore who really felt blessed? And to explore your own country newly in different types is an adventure. We are Bengali and masters covers our feet. From daily workaholic tired life, if we have to flee, then we must have the right info. Where we will go, stay, how we will go and what we will see. These informations must be in your grasp. Travel lovers, let's go and find the places in today's episode. Some loves hills and some loves seas. So among hills versus seas, the sea lovers will find some correct information on place on episodes from today onwards. And for Bengali people, seas indicates to Digha, Mandarmoni, Tajpur, Chatpur, Udaipur, Shankarpur, Talshari. Let's go and find the reason to go and how to go and where to stay in Mandarmoni. From Digha, it is a 37-kilometer distance and its sea is covered by sky on top and land in bottom. And sometimes we can see the roaring of the sea. Apart from that, no extra sound can be heard there. On reaching Mandarmoni, we can find Bengan Salt factory and you can quickly find the salt making process here. Then covering up 10 km by road, we can reach Mandarmoni. Now let's find how we can go. From Digha, we can go directly. Or from Digha, we can reach Chaulkhola and then through Cracker, we can reach Mandarmoni. Apart from that, from Kolkata, we can reach Mandarmoni straightly. From Dharamtala, Howrah and Garia, we can find available buses for Mandarmoni. We can go through train also. You can board a train from Howrah-Digha and have to get off at Kanthi station. From there, we can travel by car to Mandarmoni. The carriage will be rupees 400 to 500. But bargaining is the best option. But people trying to travel to Mandarmoni from Kolkata must travel by bus as per my opinion because it is a cheaper way. To stay at Mandarmoni, there are many hotels and resorts where you can find much delicious and better food items. For you people, we provide latest updates and inform on various places. We need your support so that we can provide latest updates and inform in future. If you like our video, then please like and share a lot and definitely comment on the comment section. And please subscribe our channel Pixel Travel and Living or press the bell icon for never miss our all notification. We are in all social networking sites. So like our Facebook page and follow on our Twitter. Description link below. Thank you.